is it? Wow, Harry. What's your name, Harry? Here we have our personal chef bringing up the breakfast for us.
My breakfast.
You get any pictures for your mom, Harry? Damn, Hattie. Back at it again with the green jacket. Damn, Harry, back at it again with the trickies. Damn, Harry.
Back at it again with it.
Back at it again with the black Nikes. Damn, Harry.